Alright, so I got the oil. I'm gonna run it through a little bit, just so I want this turbo to also get some oil, because the rest of them already got it. Let me see, where did I put the thing? Making progress. See, the problem with like never starting an engine before is you gotta make sure all that stuff works. So yeah. Now I'm just sending a power to the PCM. Drop some stuff in the back there. Alright, what do we need? What do we need? Fuel. Alright, got some fuel. Come on. Yeah. Alright, so got the fuel. I think that's it. Hopefully that's it. So let's give this a try. Power on. Alright, let's see this. If this doesn't work, I gotta go spend about 5-10 minutes, figure out what else needs to get changed. If it does work, then it'll turn on. Hopefully. That's a start. Oh. I need some earplugs. in case I catch on fire. Got the water hose, and I don't want to blow up my ear again, so let's go. Glad I got this one in, because yeah, that was unintentional backfire. Alright, so yeah, she lives. Shots fired a bunch of times. That was really loud. I wasn't expecting it. That wasn't supposed to happen. My guess is I had some leftover fuel in the car, which means it's kind of just firing off, and yeah, too rich. It is hot. Let's see, 11:58. So took about 45 minutes to get it to where we actually got it working. So I'm 45 minutes behind. But yeah, we got it. We got it, guys. So 460 of you guys just witnessed it coming on today. Awesome. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope we kind of blow out your ear, because it definitely blew out my ears. Especially that first one where we just went. Was not expecting it. Pretty psyched, pretty excited. I'll post the video a little bit later. For right now, I'm going to go over certain things. I'm going to go check, make sure everything is